Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. Reinvention is the key to unlocking your true potential. There was a time when I had it all, the fame, the fortune, the freedom, but deep down I was just drifting through life, living on autopilot. Then life threw me into a furnace of adversity, captured, imprisoned with nothing but scraps. But instead of breaking, I built, I transformed, I reinvented myself from the ashes of despair. That first suit was my escape, but more importantly, it was my rebirth. It was proof that even in the darkest moments, you can forge a new path, you can rise. Reinvention is not a one-time event, it's a lifelong commitment. Every new suit, every upgrade, every battle, they were steps in my journey of becoming better, stronger, smarter. And guess what? You have the same potential within you. Reinvention is about more than just changing your circumstances. It's about transforming your mindset, your relationships, your entire approach to life. It's about becoming the person you are truly meant to be. Every challenge I faced and every battle I fought taught me something invaluable. In moments of crisis, I found clarity. In the face of adversity, I discovered my true strength. Reinvention isn't about erasing your past. It's about learning from it, evolving with it, and using it as a foundation for a brighter, bolder future. It's about shedding the old skin and embracing the new. Look around you. Ordinary people are doing extraordinary things every day. They're facing their fears, breaking their limits, and reinventing themselves. If they can do it, so can you. The next time life knocks you down, remember this: don't just get back up. Rise higher, reinvent yourself, turn every setback into a comeback. Forge your destiny with your own hands. The power to reinvent yourself lies within you. It's in every choice you make and every action you take. Embrace it. Become the hero of your own story. So what are you waiting for? The world needs the new you. Go out there and show them what you're made of.